Would you like to create your own magnetic energy? Think about the intention of the thing that you would like most, and we're going to create it together with a little bit of visualization and self-hypnosis. I'm Warren, I'm a clinical hypnotherapist, and I can help you uncover what you need to do in your mind and your body to get the things that you want. So first of all, give your hands a rub together. Try this. Really create some friction between the palms of your hands. Give them a good rub. And then straighten out your arms straight ahead with the palms facing. And I want you to stare at the space between your hands and feel that energy. Imagine that energy is magnetic, pulling those hands together. Now take a breath and close your eyes. And imagine those hands moving together at their own rate, their own speed, all by themselves, like the energy of your intention is coming together. Think of your intention and what you want to get from this. Think about that energy, almost give it a color, a glow perhaps, as those hands move together at their own rate, their own speed. Your internal energy and intention. And whenever those hands touch, you can imagine those hands coming together with that magnetic energy, your attraction to your intention. Now your own intentions start to flow up through your fingertips, through your hands and wrists and arms and across your shoulders. And you can allow that intention, that energy to flow through your chest and shoulders. Almost like it flows down through your stomach, through your legs, all through your mind and through your body. And anytime you take a deep breath, that magnetic energy and that intention flows through your mind and your body. Give it a color and a glow. It fills your mind and your body with your intentions, your energy, your positive mindsets for you to achieve everything that you want to achieve. It flows through your mind and your body like it just can't help it. Like any blocks in your mind and body just dissolve and melt away. You can breathe and feel good through your mind and body, and your own magnetic energy brings together your conscious mind and your subconscious mind, and it all flows naturally and easily through your mind and body, through your physical systems, through your emotional systems. And imagine that energy coalescing, forming new neural networks and pathways in your mind, a new pathway ahead for you to achieve your goals. Now when you're ready, you can take a deep breath and you can open your eyes and notice how you feel. More positive now, attracting this positive magnetic energy.